finally gonna get to try the new Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. I wanted to try this in my last video, but I forgot. It was supposed to have 12 hours of oil and shine control. It goes on clear, so I'm just gonna put it in the usual places like my T-zone. Feels good. Feels good. I really like Smashbox's primers. The foundation I'm going to take is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. I am using the color 115 Light Medium. I have one of those pimples that's like under the skin, but it's huge. I have it right here on my chin. I mean, it did not come to play. It's huge. It looks like I got filler in my chin. It hurts. Taking Benefit's Cakeless Concealer, I'm going to cover up these bad boys. I'm using the shade 4. I haven't got 3 yet. I'm starting to think of the Halloween looks that I want to do this year. I try to do about 4. I have 2 of them, I think, possibly 3 that I want to do. So let me know what you guys want to see for Halloween. What type of Halloween looks do you want to see? So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see for Halloween. I just set that with some translucent powder and I used the Milani translucent vanilla. So the first thing I'm going to take is Sigma's Primer eyeshadow base, and this is, I don't remember the name of this one. I will have it linked in the description box. It's a little bit darker than I normally use, so I just applied that all over my lid to prevent any creasing and act as a base. And then I took ColourPop's new Baby Got Peach palette, and I took this last color right here, the one that I pointed to, and I'm going to take a Sigma E38 blending brush, and I'm just going to run that into my crease kind of as my transition shade, so it doesn't really have to be perfect. I just want the top to be kind of blended out. And then I'm going to take the darker matte color, which wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be. It's a pretty color, but just not as dark as I wanted it to go. So I'm just going to add that into the crease and then on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take the shimmery color called Get Even, and I'm going to apply that to basically just the first half of my lid. And this color was really pretty. I'm sorry that I didn't realize that my camera wasn't in focus, but since the other color wasn't as dark, I took the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette and went in with the matte brown color. And I put that in just kind of like the outer corner of my eyes and then blended the rest throughout my eye into my crease. And then the ColourPop collection comes with a couple of the Super Shock shadows. I think it's 3, and I'm not sure what this one was called, but again, everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. But I just wanted to try it out, so I topped it on top of my eyeshadow that I put on my lid. You don't know how bad I just want to stop right now because nothing is going right. I feel like I'm looking really pale. I'm going to warm up my face with the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in the color 10M. So weird too, because whenever I actually plan to film, that's when usually things go wrong. And the days where I'm like, oh, I have some time, maybe I'll film, like last minute, those days usually end up going good. I'm using Benefit's Hoola bronzer to do my nose. Taking me so long to do this super simple look. Also with this ColourPop collection, I'm going to take Comes with Fresh and Peachy Pressed Cheek Powder. They have, excuse me, they have 3 different cheek colors. I'm gonna use this one, I already said it. I'm struggling today. Fresh and Peachy. I hope I like this because I like a more peachy blush, but pretty. It just kind of reminds me, like, it's more on the pinky side than peachy. Highlighter that I'm going to use is from the Cheek Leaders palette from Benefit. I used the Hoola for my nose, and now I'm going to use the color Cookie. They actually just recently I really like this highlighter. They recently just came out with a single, because they first came out with it in this palette. It was new. Whoa, and that's too much. They also have this lip crayon bundle in Peach Please, Rise and Shine, and Give Me S'more. I think I'm going to use Give Me S'more. Oh God, look at this. Look at this hair. Oh my God. Okay, I guess I'm gonna take this big fat crayon. It smells good. It smells like peaches. It's a pretty color. Feels really good too. Just a tint. Shoot, shoot, it's really light. Good thing I put that lip liner. Oh well.